I've never been able to travel to a third world country, and just to hear about it is completely different than to experience it. I always get real teary because I'm going to miss being here. It's been the greatest adventure. I'm here with my daughter who has traveled many places, and this is just the most beautiful space. When you're in a small group, you feel more comfortable sharing. And I know initially people would say, oh, Nepal, you know, it's so far, but it's so perfect. Everything about it, everything, and you have tried so hard to make it wonderful for all of us. We all say we're not hungry, and we always go and eat the meals that are unbelievable. The people are so welcoming. The monastery, it's indescribable. I'm sitting here now underneath this canopy that is just, it's unbelievable. I get so choked up. I'm so sorry, but I can't express myself to tell you how you should definitely come. If you have the means to come, don't miss this. It's unbelievable. And when we go into the towns, you know, you learn about those people, but here we learn about ourselves. We connect, and we know how to now, thanks to you, how to slow it down, how to handle going back to a place that's not the monastery. If you can hear in the background the chanting of the little monks, we wake up in the morning to that, and it's just, I wish I could move here. That's all I can say. It's been wonderful, and I haven't had a chance to do this, and I would do it again in a minute. So do it.